Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video for you guys. It is an unboxing video from the brand Simply Earth. So Simply Earth is a essential oil company, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to do an unboxing of their products and share it with you guys. And they're also offering a free bonus box and a $20 gift card when you sign up. So I'm going to show you guys everything that you can get with your subscription service to Simply Earth. So I'm going to show you guys everything that you're going to be able to get if you choose to sign up for a Simply Earth subscription service. So I have worked with Simply Earth in the past, and I really love them. So I was really excited to go ahead and work with them again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox what they sent me, and this is also going to show you guys what you guys are going to be able to get when you sign up for their subscription service as well. So basically, Simply Earth is a essential oil company, and they offer subscription services for essential oils. So it is a $39 a month subscription service, and every single month you get a new box of essential oils as well as recipe cards and other little goodies for the box. So I'm going to be showing you guys the April box. So when you use the code Gina Schweppe free, you're going to get your Simply Earth essential oil recipe box. You're going to get your monthly box. And on your first order, you're also going to get the big bonus box, and you're going to get a $20 gift card emailed to you. So essentially, you're going to be paying $39, but then you're going to get a $20 gift card back that you can purchase anything on the site for. So they have oil diffusers for as low as $29.99. So you can go ahead and use your gift card to then get a diffuser if you don't have a diffuser. So I will go ahead and have the website below so you can check it out. And remember, you can use the code Gina Schweppe free, and that is how you're gonna get your first monthly box, along with the bonus box, along with that $20 gift card. So it is totally awesome. So I have been loving essential oils. So I've been testing this box out for the past 2 weeks now. So I've had this box in my possession for 2 weeks. So I took that time to go ahead and test the products out. And I am in love so far. So first and foremost, Simply Earth, they donate 13% of their profits to human trafficking. So anytime that a company is going to donate to a good cause such as human trafficking, I'm all about. So this is what's in the April box. So you're going to get 4 essential oils. And then you're also going to get 2 of these dryer balls. So I already have one upstairs in my laundry room because, like I mentioned, I've been testing this box out. So, so also included are going to be these recipe cards, and they're really easy, and they tell you how to use the products. So the first thing inside, like I mentioned, is the dryer ball. And so basically the dryer ball is going to replace your dryer sheets. So what you do is you add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil to your dryer ball. So you can put any oil you want, depending on what scent you want to go for. So you put 2 to 3 drops, and then you let it set for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then you pop into the dryer. So the dryer balls help reduce static. It reduces dry time, and it makes your clothes smell really nice without having to use dryer sheets, because dryer sheets you use once and then you toss. So this is something you can use more than once. So I love that. So the essential oils that came in my box is the grapefruit essential oil, and also included this month is the Clean and Fresh. So this is the oil that I've actually been using on my dryer ball. And then also thyme is included, and basil. So these are the 4 essential oils. So one of the recipes this month is the bathroom poo spray. So it's similar to like the poopery spray that you spray into your toilet. So you spray this in before you go to the bathroom. And then it's supposed to like catch the scent of the poo. So this one, and they also have these fun little stickers to add on to it. And also you get the squirt bottle in your bonus box. So I will unbox everything that's inside there. But this was super easy. All you had to do was put 2 ounces of water, 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol, and then you put in 14 drops of essential oils. So you can put whatever scent that you want. So that is what's in here. It sits in my bathroom and it actually works really, really well. So that was fun to go ahead and make, and Scarlett has a kick out of that. And then some other recipes that they have here are dishwasher tablets. So this is really cool. You can make your own dishwasher tablets. And then also it gives you a recipe for a nighttime diffuser blend. So it's suggesting doing 1 drop of thyme and 1 drop of basil. So it gives you ideas on how you can go ahead and mix your essential oils. And then also there is an all-purpose cleaning spray recipe, a deodorizing disc that you can put into your fridge or your closet to grab those icky scents. So the recipe cards are great. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox what's in the bonus box. So this big bonus box you're gonna get with your first order, and then you get a new bonus box every 6 months. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what is inside the bonus box. So there's a card and it tells you the value of everything. So first thing that's inside here is coconut oil. It is an 8-ounce container of coconut oil, because you can make your own like lotions with this, with whatever essential oils that you want. So this guy is in here, and this is valued at, this whole entire box is valued at over $50 in products. So, and you're getting this for free when you sign up, and then you get a new one every 6 months after that. So again, you get the bottle of coconut oil, and then also you get a 4-ounce bottle of the almond oil. So also inside you get a 2-ounce package of beeswax. And then you're gonna get a bunch of different containers. So we have this plastic container for like your mixture of coconut oil, and then there's some glass jars right here. Basically, it's just containers for all the different concoctions that you're making. And then also inside is like an inhaler type deal to where you can do like the allergy blend for your stuffy nose. And then there's some roller vials as well. And then there is a little container for like lip balm, because that's what the beeswax is for. And then also there's just little vials for adding your own blend that you want to make, and some tins. And then you also get these little squirt bottles in here. So basically there's tons inside the box here. Like there's tons. So you can go ahead and create all your different concoctions that you want. So they refill this for you every 6 months. So you can get new containers and new coconut oils. So that this is supposed to last you for 6 months. And again, you're gonna get that for free when you sign up for your first subscription box with Simply Earth. So I wanna thank Simply Earth so much for working with me again, because I think that this company is really great. First and foremost, I love that they are giving back to human trafficking. I think that is awesome. And I love the idea of using more essential oils because my husband is so incredibly paranoid when it comes to candles. He gets so afraid that the house is going to catch on fire. So my husband loves these essential oils, and my mother-in-law loves this dryer disc thingy. So when she saw this box on my counter, she was instantly intrigued. So you can make your own cleaning products with these essential oils. So the all-purpose cleaner, you add alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and vinegar, water, and then you add whatever scent you want to your oils. Whatever oils you want to add to it. So if you're really picky with scent, you can create your own scent. And I find that the essential oils really like fragrance the room very quickly, and it lasts a long time. So what you're gonna wanna do is go to simplyearth.com and you wanna go to the subscribe and click. And then you're going to want to get your April box. And then you're gonna wanna add your subscription box to your checkout. So you're at $39. You're saving $31 because they give you a discount. So the retail value of this box is 70 bucks, but you get it for 39. And then you're gonna check out. And then you're going to want to use the code Gina Schweppe free. And you're gonna wanna enter your email. This is just an email to show you guys an example of how easy this code is. So there's an email, Gina Schweppe free. And this is gonna get you your essential oil box, the bonus box, and then a $20 gift card is gonna be emailed to you. So it's super, super simple, and shipping was really quick, and I just highly recommend this set right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning about Simply Earth. So let me know in the comments below if you go ahead and get your subscription box so that we can talk back and forth on how we're gonna make our different recipes. So I think this is an awesome deal. You definitely wanna jump on it. You're gonna get that free $20 gift card. So I think that the value of everything that you're getting for the price that you're paying is spot on. And I do not share products on my channel very often. And when I do share products, it's because they're products that I believe in and they're products that I actually use. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.